You guys, it's so simple. Why did I not listen or do this sooner? So you guys got your awesome joying head unit in your car. You have Apple CarPlay, you have all the new features in your S2000, but your dash controls don't work anymore. I'm gonna show you how stupid simple it is to get them to work again. Now they say hooking up these wires will allow you to use your volume, but like the channel button and things like that are not gonna work, which is perfectly fine. The only thing that I really need is volume. Everything else, if I need to skip a track or anything, that's super simple. Not a big deal if I can't use this to do it, or mute it, or change stations or anything else like that. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take the head unit out. Since you've already probably installed this head unit or one similar or just one in general, you're gonna know how to take it out. So I'm just gonna skip all that and we'll get right to playing with some wires. All right, so according to this, audio pin 3 on the S2000, which green with red stripe, is audio remote switch input. And that, coming from the vehicle, if you're looking at it facing you like this, it's the third wire from the right, which is green, and it has a red stripe. And don't mind these, I didn't have electrical tape at the time, so we're gonna go ahead and clean those up too. But this is the wire that you will connect the brown wire, which is key 1 from the stereo. So I'm gonna go ahead and splice that wire into this and then test it out and see if that's all it took. Well, it worked, guys. All right, so once you have those wires spliced together, what you're gonna wanna do is power on the joying unit, go over to your settings, and then press on the little gear icon, and then you'll scroll down until you get to steering wheel settings. Click on that and it'll pull up this screen, and then you're gonna have your up volume, down volume. Now to set this, all you need to do, press and hold down on the volume and you'll see it changing to green, and then you'll just tap the down volume button on that and then let go. Press and hold up for the up volume, and then you'll press the up volume on there, let go, and then hit confirm. And then you can go back, and we're just going to go onto the radio here and watch this. Watch the volume. It's that simple. So dumb, but so happy that it worked. And I hope this helps everybody else out, because I feel your pain trying to figure this out. I feel the pain of the people that knew exactly how to do this and tried to help and just didn't listen, or just took my sweet time. All right, guys, I call that a success. Hopefully spring is going to be happening fairly soon. We are in northern Minnesota, so it could take a couple months, but if the roads are clear and salt is at a minimum, we'll be putting insurance back on this and getting it back out on the streets. And if there is still a bunch of salt on the roads, then that just means I have to wash it multiple times every time I take it out. The plan for this year was to turbocharge it, but because of a large purchase that we've been planning on doing for a while now that is hopefully coming up in the next couple months, that may get put on the back burner till either this coming fall or potentially later. But in the meantime, since I have most of the parts that I need in order to do it, thinking about just going and getting this tuned soon to get a little more enjoyment out of it for this car season. And again, make sure to leave this video a fat thumbs up for the simplest solution to get your dash controls to work with your new Joying head unit. We'll see you guys in the next one. Don't mind me, guys. I'm just gonna sit here and toggle my switch.
Jimmy.